In this training tech tip, we're going to learn how to create a training calendar. So you have a race, it's on your calendar, and you want to perform some workouts. So the first thing you might want to do is go over to a website where you can find a training plan. In this case, I'm using Hal Higdon, and I've chosen a half marathon training plan, a 12-week training plan. So I can see the week and all of the events and activities that I need to perform each day. So I'm going to highlight all that text and copy it. Now this is what I want in my calendar, but I want it to show up on a calendar so I can see each day what my workout is going to be. We need to copy these to a spreadsheet. So we'll go over to a Google Sheet. I'll right click and I'm going to paste those values into the calendar. And there I have it as a table, as you see, just like we did off of the Hal Higdon website. And then I have a simple little macro formula that copies down all of these workouts into a single column. Now this template will be available, so you're not going to have to recreate that macro. Now we need these events onto a calendar. So we're going to highlight all the events, copy those, and now we need to put it into a calendar format. We'll go over to calendar, subject, right click again, paste the values, and now we have the subject for each day. Now it's not on a calendar yet because we need those dates. Now what I like to do is work backwards from the day of the race. So I'm going to scroll to the bottom, and I know that my race is going to happen on February. Now let's look at what a Sunday is coming up in a couple of weeks. It's a 12-week plan. So let's say that we're going to do this on April 17th. So I put in 4/17/21. So that is the day of the race. And now I want to plot out what days I'm going to do the workout. So what we're going to do here is just create a little formula that says take that day and subtract 1. And now we're going to copy that, go to the first one and paste it. Actually, paste the value. Damn it. Beep, beep. Copy that, go up to the top, this is what I did earlier, and then paste. Now we have the dates. So we're going to start our workout on 1/24, which is a rest day, and we have all of the dates. Now if we want to just do it on a full day, we don't care about the time, we can just leave it alone and just put the word true in here one time, and that'll get down to our calendar. If we wanted a very specific time to do the workout, then we need to copy the dates, go over to end date, and then just paste those values in. So now we have the same days, same times. And if you wanted a specific time that you're going to start the workout, if you're going to want to work out at 7 o'clock, you need to put in the time, 7 o'clock a.m., you need to put the a.m. or p.m. in there, and it shows in as a time. So now we have our calendar template where we have the values. And it looks like we did have a mistake here, so I'm going to just fix this formula. +1, and then copy it all the way down to there. There we go. So we don't have an end date on the calendar. I guess we can have that too, but we're not going to put a time down. So we want the start time also on every date. So we're going to copy that, go to the end of the workouts, and paste that. So now everyone is at 7 o'clock a.m. Now we need to export this and then bring it into a Google Calendar. So we're going to export by downloading the CSV file, just the current sheet, and that'll copy the training calendar CSV to my computer. Then we go over to Google Calendar, and we want to create a new calendar. So other calendars, we're going to create a new training calendar. Click on Add, create new calendar, and then we'll just call this training and create that calendar. Once it's created, now we need to configure it. So Google gives us a link here to configure. And now we want to import events into that calendar. Choose import. Select that file that we just downloaded, in this case the training calendar. Choose which calendar you want it to go to. In this case, training. Click import. Now all of our events have been added to our calendar. Click back to go out of settings, and we can see that the training calendar is highlighted, and now I have all of my workouts on my Google Calendar. If this is synchronized to my phone, or if I look at this daily, I know what workouts I need to perform each day to get ready for that race. And there it is, the half marathon on the 17th of April. Thanks for watching. We'll see you later.